Alam mo, 28 years old na ako ngayong 2024. And may bagong pagsubok for month of January and sana ma-survive ko yung year na to na may peace ako. At the same time, na-accomplish ko yung goal ko for 2024. Even hindi na ako bigyan ni Lord ng jowa. Ma-fulfill ko lang yung gusto ko sa life. I think, masasatisfied ako. Yung lifestyle ko, yung bahay kung saan ako titira, yung kuryente, tubig. Actually, yun yung main problem ko sa lahat eh. And I'm praying for a better life to me. Because I know it's really hard to be alone. But Lord, can you give me a better life to me? Because I feel so nothing today. And I ask myself, what is my plan for 2024? Even I have my own journal. I don't know everything. Parang kailangan ko ng taong i-guide ako patungo sa aking pangarap. Yun lang. Thank you.